My favorite place in all of the world is next to you. From the first time I saw you, I knew you would have many hearts. Happy Valentine's Day to the best husband I could have asked for. Love is more than longing kisses, dancing in the rain and candlelight dinners. But I am so glad we experienced all of that and more. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. To my husband Kai, I am proud to be yours and love being with you on this day and each dance we can get. All my life, my heart has yearned for a thing I cannot name, and I had choose you in a thousands lifetimes, in a hundreds worlds, in any version of reality. I had find you and I had choose you. I love you because you made me ridiculously happy. Sometimes I wonder how you put up with me. Then I remember, oh, I put up with you. So we are heaven, and suddenly all the love songs were about you. You stole my heart, but I will let you keep it. I swear I couldn't love you more than I do right now. And yet I know I will tomorrow. I have never been so scared of losing something in my entire life. Then again, nothing in my life has ever meant as much to me as you do. I love that rush when he holds me into his arms, and I can't let you a sigh of relief knowing I'm safe there always. When I'm with you, hours feel like seconds. When we are apart, days feel like years. I will never forget the moment I realized I love you.